Good day, everyone. By the way, I'm Catherine D. Javier, a first year PSIT student in Caraga State University, Cabadbaran campus. So, in this video, we will talk about conditional statements, specifically if else statement. So, the learning points. First, understand fundamental programming concepts. Kaduha, learn the syntax and logic of if-else statements. Apply if-else statements in Java and Python. Kaupat, demonstrate how conditions control the flow of programs. Kalima, show working code examples in both languages. So, unsa man daw ang conditional statements? So, conditional statements control the flow of a program based on conditions, also known as decision-making statements. So, types include first, if else, if, else sa Python, else if sa Java. Ang kilayanan sa flowchart nga nagamit siya conditional statement kay ang symbol nga diamond or ang shape nga diamond. So, condition true, execute daw si block A. Pero kung ang condition daw kay false, execute si block B. Use to branch program logic. So, naatay example diri para mas ma-better visualize. So, hani, as you can see, makita nimo ang diamond nga shape. So, ang sulod sa diamond nga shape, kay namutana, is your name Catherine? Kung ang pangalan daw nako Catherine, ang mugawas daw, congrats. Pero kung dili daw, ang mugawas daw, try again. So in Python supports the usual logic conditions from mathematics. Kung equals daw A and duha ka equal sign B. So if dili daw equals A exclamation point and equal sign then B. Tapos if less than daw A, tapos ang pointing apart na sa A, kaya si A man ang less, then B. Less than or equal. Gamit na po tag less than, A is less than B. Greater than, A is greater than B. Greater than or equal, A is greater than or equal B. These conditions can be used in several ways, most commonly in if statements and loops. So sa Python daw, an if statement is written by using the if keyword. The elif keyword in Python's way of saying if the previous condition were not true, then try this condition. So kung ang pinakauna daw na condition katong if kay dili daw siya true, then itry daw ang sunod nga condition which is katong elif. And then else. The else keyword catches anything which isn't caused by the preceding condition. So kubalik, kung ingno na to, nag-need og user input. So dapat ang user input kay 1 to 10. Pero ang gi-input kay 11. So diri na mosulod si else na condition. So this is nari ang code example. So, ang grade daw nga variable, ang iyang value kay 85. So, gamit ang if. Kaning if, pinakauna na, condition. If ang grade daw kay greater than or equal 90, ang mugawas daw A. Elif, pero kung ang grade daw is greater than or equal to 80 ang muprint daw kay B. Else, kung mas below daw sa 80, ang mo-print daw C or below. So, ang value sa grade kay 85 man, musulod siya diri sa L if nga condition, which is ang grade kay greater than or equal to 80. So, mao ni ang output B. In Java, you already know that Java supports the usual logic conditions from mathematics. So parehas ra, halos parehas ra dito sa Python. Less than, A is less than B, less than or equal to A is less than or equal to B, greater than, A is greater than B, greater than or equal to, A is greater than or equal to B, equal to A double equal sign B, not equal A exclamation point equals to B. You can use these conditions to perform different actions for different decisions. Java has the following conditional statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specific condition is true. So mogamit daw kag if kung ang condition daw kay true. Tapos use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. Use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. So kung false daw or wala daw nitugma ang first condition, mugamit daw kag else if. Tapos you can use put switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. Pero sa kaninga video, dili sa asa nato na istoryahan. So, mo ni ang example code. Itong public class, grade checker, public static void. So, mo ni ang sample code. Public class, grade checker, it means the file can be accessed sa tanan nga class. So, int, it means integer or numbers ang grade, ang value sa grade. Diri na nakita nimo ang if. If kuno open parentheses grade daw kay greater than or equal to 90 and then curly brackets. So dili yun ni siya kalimutan kay para dili mag-error imong code. So system.out.print line ang mugawas daw if ang value sa grade kay greater than or equal sa 90, A daw ang mugawas. So else if mugawas daw or muprint daw kay B if ang value daw sa grade kay greater than or equal to 80. Else, kung wala diri sa ilang duha, ang mugawas C or below. So, again, ang value sa grade kay 85 man, so nabilong siya diri sa L if nga condition. Summary, conditional statements are essential for control flow. Python and Java use different syntax. Gagamit daw sila og lain-lain nga syntax. Pero same ra nga logic. Practicing both improves logic building and language fluency. So, thank you for listening. So, kung gusto pa ninyo mo dig deeper sa else if nga statement, you can visit this links para mas ma-enhance pa inyong learning. Thank you! Bye-bye.